Hi guys, welcome to Taste Like Home. I am your ProCook Tulo. This is episode 15, number 3 of our Christmas special, and today I'll be making adult cookie treats.
Merry Christmas!
Now, to get the ball rolling for our adult cookie treats, these are the ingredients you will need. But before we get into the ingredients, for this recipe, for our cookie dough, please check episode 14 and we will link it above. Now, first thing you're going to need is really a generous amount of caramel. Then you're going to need about 50 grams of nougat chocolate, almond of course, as always. And then of course, your sugar cookie dough. Now it's time to start our cookies. And now to bake our cookies, first things first, we're going to chop up our nougat almond, and I promise you guys, this makes the best ice cream. A few episodes ago, I made this with caramel and nuts, and listen, it was to die for. I'm going to put up that link above for you so that you can go make it yourself. Now time to chop up our nougat. You can just use scissors, it's a rough chop, you don't have to have it perfect. And guys, I can't begin to explain to you what nougat does in cookies. You're going to see, and I promise you, anybody that loves nougat though would love these biscuits. But if you know that you're not a fan, or the person you are trying, or the person you are treating is not a fan, you can always omit this and use something else like your normal chocolate. But I promise you, this makes the best cookies. Now that we are done here, we're going to bring in 2 bowls where we will separate our dough and put these 2 ingredients in each bowl. Here is our 2 bowls and our dough. Just a little bit, you don't need too much. Now our nougat goes into this dough. Want to mix it nicely, make sure that it goes in there, squeeze. I cannot wait for you guys to try these biscuits. Okay, just roll some more. We want it into a nice log. Now time for our salted caramel to go in here. We're going to need a fork. These are also my favorite. You're also going to need your hands for this, so don't worry about how it's going to be mixed. Your caramel is going to make your dough a bit soggy, which is perfect. That's what's supposed to happen, so do not worry and won't be wanting to put more flour. No, it's supposed to be sticky because the caramel is obviously sticky. You just need to have your caramel go in there, and this, look at my hands. And now this is what our caramel salted cookie dough looks like, and what our nougat dough looks like. Okay, here is our pan. Now we're going to start off with our caramel salted ones. So what you're going to do with these, you're going to need an ice cream scoop, and you're just going to scoop it out. Roughly, you don't want a pretty biscuit. This is not supposed to be a pretty biscuit, don't worry. So you have to do. So these are actually monster salted caramel cookies. So you don't want them to look pretty. Don't worry. So, oh my goodness, they look so strange. No, don't worry. And now time to cut our nougat dough. Let's make sure that it's put together so that when we cut it, it does not fall apart. This is also not a pretty cookie, but trust me, it tastes so much better than it looks. Excuse the pun. And now our cookies are ready for the oven. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 7 to 10 minutes at 160 degrees, only because our nougat will burn if you put it any longer, and our caramel as well will extremely harden, so you don't want that. Now I'm going to put these in the oven and I'll see you later. And this is what our cookies look like. And now we're going to package our cookies in our Merry Christmas cake tin. And for those wondering where I got this tin, you can get it at any store that sells gifting accessories. Now we're going to put these in our box. And I said to you, we don't want our caramel hardened, so you will see mine just comes apart so well. So you don't want to put it in the oven for too long, because if you do, it's going to be rock hard and you're going to be having really crispy biscuits and caramel. And now for our nougat ones. And what I love the most about this, especially the dough, is that these cookies are actually really soft in the inside. And this is what our adult cookie treats look like. And now to taste our cookies. This literally tastes like you're having a bowl of fudge in your mouth. It is perfect. And now for our nougat biscuits. Just look at that. All those nougat pieces right into the biscuit. Tastes perfect. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below.